go for a short walk. Let me go show you around, guys. So chat, I've decided to take you on a small tour into the forest, guys, or into the jungle. So let's go. I used to come here when I was a kid. This place has changed so much, guys. The place has changed so much. We used to come here. There used to be water around here. This area used to be swampy, guys. All of this area used to be swampy. I'm afraid, guys. I'm just afraid, guys. Look at this area, guys. It is so quiet that even nobody walks in this area, chat. Not so many people use this road. Not so many people use this road, chat. Look at the streams. Hey. Nyumbani narudi, nyumbani, nyumbani. Let's go. See this? So this is the bridge. This is the bridge. You need to be careful. Mans need to be careful when passing by. We used to come and collect fish here. But right now, I think this place is grown so much. Look at them trees, chat. Hey chat, look at the environment, chat. Very, very good. Oh, the sun is so hot. Look at the forest. Guys, what is the name of this tree, chat? What is the name of this tree? Is it a sycamore tree? This tree has been here since I was a kid, chat. So we're gonna have to move down here. Oof.